Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Lexus RX350 can take you and your family to some really fun places like camping and bike riding. It can also tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in North America. Come on, let's break down this really easy hitch install. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Okay, we're going to start by prepping the underbody vehicle on the driver's side. On the frame, we're going to find 5 plastic retainer clips that we need to remove. And I'm going to go ahead and just use a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry them out. Okay, now we're ready to prep the passenger side. This one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to have 2 plastic clips here, and then we need to remove this tow hook here, which is held in by 2 bolts that take a 17mm socket to remove. So let's go ahead and do that for you. Okay, the underbody of the vehicle is prepped. We're ready to put the hitch into place. Today I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one of these, it's a good idea to get an extra set of hands as the hitch can get pretty heavy. So let's go ahead and put that up in place. Now that we have the hitch in place, we're going to go ahead and take our provided hardware, which is 6 M12 bolts and 6 conical washers. We're going to go ahead and take the washer with the teeth facing up, place it on the bolt, and then we're going to go ahead and thread it into the weld nuts that are in the frame. Okay, now we can go ahead and place our hardware on the passenger side frame. Okay, we've got our bolts now snugged up to the hitch and frame. Now we're going to take our torque wrench, 5-inch extension, and a 19mm socket and torque it to the manufacturer's specs. And now we'll repeat the same steps on the passenger side. Okay, we've got our vehicle on level ground now. Let's go ahead and get you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. From the pinhole to the rear edge of the bumper is 4.5 inches. From the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver tube is 15.5 inches. This is a 2-inch receiver hitch, and those measurements are going to help you with determining your rise, length, and drop of your hitch accessories, such as a cargo carrier or bike rack. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day, guys.